Today is Friday, August 29th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. Here we go, right into Labor Day weekend, the unofficial end to summer, but of course we know we're still going to get plenty of warm days going into the month of September, especially in the deep south. Let's start off by looking at the weather map here on this Friday morning. We got a cold front that's clearing the eastern half of the country, a couple of showers, but those will be moving offshore as the day goes on. And as we've seen for the last several weeks, we have a nearly stationary front that's here in the deep south. A wave of low pressure along that front will be the focal point for some showers. So as the weekend goes on, the area of more concentrated showers kind of shifts here along the Gulf Coast and into the southeast. Let's start off in the Midwest. 70 today in Grand Rapids. Definitely a cool start to this Labor Day weekend. Only 68 for a high in Detroit. Same for you in Chicago. 65 with a couple of lake effect showers out there toward Cleveland. Warming up on the backside of high pressure. So this warm up is going to gradually shift east too. You'll see that in the temperature trend when we talk about that here in just a moment. 70s in Pittsburgh and Cincinnati today. 83 in Louisville, near 90 in Nashville, 86 in Memphis, and same for you in St. Louis. So here's the temperature trend I was talking about in Detroit. Expect as the weekend goes on, and this is not just for Detroit, this is for all of Michigan and a good part of the Midwest. Temperatures will trend warmer as the weekend goes on. So the warmest day of this holiday weekend will likely be on Labor Day, at least in Detroit in the upper 70s, and similar for Chicago, highs in the upper 70s on Monday. Looking at the southeast, we're in the 80s. We all know that these temperatures could easily be 90s at this point in the month, but we are experiencing some cooler than normal weather in the southeast, but that means some really nice weather. We're in the mid 80s from Charlotte to Savannah to Atlanta, Georgia. The humidity, of course, still making it feel like it's a bit above 90. A couple of scattered showers and storms from New Orleans over to Dallas. Again, those showers and storms as the weekend goes on will shift off to the east. The southeast actually trends even cooler as the weekend goes on. In Charlotte, we expect those high temperatures by Monday on Labor Day to actually peak only in the upper 70s. That seems almost unheard of for the end of August and early September. We're going to stay in the 70s here for the first week of September. Fort Lauderdale, just a few clouds around this morning. It's going to be hot and humid as you'd expect for this afternoon. Some showers and storms popping up, and it looks like there will be a pretty concentrated area of showers and storms as we head into the evening. Temperatures peaking in the upper 80s here through the holiday weekend, probably upper 80s into next week as well. All right, that is your Friday morning weather update. Have a great holiday weekend. Because Monday is a holiday, there will not be a video weather update, but you'll still get your weather emails here through the week. And if you haven't yet downloaded the Weather with Erick app, you can always get your local weather there as well. I'll see you guys all next week after Labor Day.